Going on today, guys? It's Cam Plays. Today, I'm just going to be doing a quick little tutorial for some of you guys who use Steam, just like me, uh, and want to know how to move games to hard drives between different hard drives you have. So, it's actually quite simple. So, I'm going to be moving this Infinite Warfare. I have it installed on my external hard drive, but it runs a little slow, and I have some issues loading levels after I play a game. So I'm just going to be moving it onto my primary hard drive for my computer just because it runs better. So this is pretty much all you have to do. You're just going to right click on the game and hit down to properties, and this is going to pop up. Go to install files, and you should have this move install folder. Just going to click on that. So, like I said, I have it. I don't know, barely kind of see it. The installation is 111 gigabytes. I have it on my Western Digital by D drive. It's an external hard drive. So this is going to pop up and it's going to allow you to select whatever hard drive you want to pick. So if you have multiple, you can click on this, a little drop down menu will come. You'll have all your options. So for me, I only have my external hard drive and my primary, my C drive. So I'm going to move it to my C drive, click on that, and you just hit move. And really, it's as simple as that. This will move the contents over. Steam is going to know where it is, so you don't have to change any settings to help Steam find your game. It'll take care of it for you. All right, so now it is moved. As you can see, it is now showing on my C drive. If for whatever reason this doesn't pop up, or you can't find this move install folder, you can just go directly to top left Steam, go to your settings, and you could do it from here. So you could go, say you want to move this, click on this, you could hit move, and then you could choose your hard drive. So that's if the option doesn't work, but I mean either one will work. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much how you move a game from one hard drive to another. Hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, leave a like and have a good rest of your day.